Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the fourth video and last few questions of June 2017 and set C. So this one is question number 16. A square is drawn with one of its sides as the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle as shown in the figure. What is the area of the shaded circle? So here a right angle triangle whose base is 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter is the perpendicular shown in the figure, and on the hypotenuse side there is a square is formed, and that inside that a circle is there. So we have to find the shaded region or the circle's area we have to find here. So let's see the solution. So now see the base of the triangle ABE is 4 centimeter, AE is 3 centimeter given. So area of the shaded portion, for that we have to find in the triangle ABE, AB side we have to find it first. So AB square is a hypotenuse whose IB square is equals to AE square plus EB square. So on feeding the value 3 square plus 4 square, on simplification you get 5 centimeter. Now given ABCD is a square. So here if it is a square, then AB is equals to 5 centimeter. Then the remaining four sides BC, CD and DA is also 5 centimeter. Now 5 centimeter is the diameter of the inner circle. So we have to find its radius for finding the area. So now R is equals to 5 by 2. Because diameter is 5, then radius is exactly half. So 5 by 2 is the radius. On putting the value, so area of the circle is pi r square, which is equals to pi 5 by 2 whole square. So on simplification you get 25 pi by 4, which is given in option number 4. So its answer is fourth and 25 pi by 4. So this one is the correct answer for this question. Now see the next question is question number 17. What should be added to the product of two numbers, that is 983713 and 983719, to make it a perfect square? So here two numbers, A is 983713 and B is 983719. So now let's consider that A cross B is equals to X. So X is here 983713 into 983719. You know that the initial four numbers are exactly same, five numbers are exactly same in this uh, numbers. So 983716 minus 3, 3 can be written as 16 minus 3. So we have to change it the number. Similarly 983719 can be written as 983716 plus 3. So you remember the 10th basics, it's a minus b and a plus b. So it's equals to a square minus b square. So you have the a number same and b number same. So on keeping this value 983716 whole square minus 9. So that x number is the perfect square. So x is in the LHS and you have to transferring 9 here, then you will get the 983716 whole square, which is a perfect square. So what should be added? So here 9 must be added to the number so that it formed a perfect square, which is given in option number 1. So this one is the correct answer for this question. Now the next question is, two identical wheels B and C moves on the periphery of circle A. Both start at the same point on A and return to it. B moving inside A and C outside it. What is the correct statement? Here B and C are the two smaller circles moves in the periphery of bigger circle A. So how we have to find the option? See the solution. Two identical wheels B and C moves on the periphery of the circle. So distance traveled by B is equals to 2 pi r. Also the distance traveled by the C is also 2 pi r. Since it is moving along the circumference of the circle, one is inside the circumference and one is outside the circumference, there is no difference between the their distances. So B and C wear out equally from both the sides. So option 3 is correct for this question. B and C wear out about equally. So this one is the correct answer for this question. Now the last question of this paper is, what is the which of the following is the odd one out? So you have the four options given: isosceles triangle, square, regular hexagon and rectangle. So see the solution. Odd one out is isosceles triangle, you have three sides; in square you have four sides; in regular hexagon you have six sides; and in rectangle you have four sides. So all having at least four or more than four sides except triangle. So odd one is here isosceles triangle. sorry, isosceles, two sides are same, so you have to isosceles triangle. So option 1 is correct for this question. So this is all about the present video. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. Must watch. Thank you very much again.